Hey, welcome to Rodgers Labs. Ever wondered how apps like Netflix or Google Drive store tons of data and run so smoothly? That's the power of cloud computing. Today we're kicking off our playlist with an intro to what it is and why it matters. Let's dive in. So what exactly is cloud computing? It's about delivering computing services like storage, processing power, or software over the internet, instead of using a physical computer or server at home or work. Imagine renting a super powerful computer that lives in a data center, managed by someone else, and you access it through your device. It's like using electricity from the grid instead of running your own generator. Back in the day, businesses had to buy pricey servers, set them up, and maintain them. It was expensive and a hassle. Cloud computing changes that. Companies like Amazon, Microsoft, and Google run massive data centers packed with servers. You tap into their resources over the internet, paying only for what you use. These data centers are like digital powerhouses, handling everything from emails to AI. Here's how it works. Instead of storing files or running software on your computer, you access them through the cloud. For example, when you save a file to Google Drive, it's stored on a cloud server, not your laptop. Or when you stream a movie on Netflix, the video comes from a cloud data center in real time. The cloud lets you scale up storage or power instantly, like renting a bigger car when you need it. Cloud computing isn't just for tech giants. Small businesses, startups, and even you can use it to save money, work faster, and stay secure. From hosting websites to running apps, the cloud makes it accessible to everyone. In this playlist, we'll explore the types of cloud services and how they're used, so stick around. That's it for our intro to cloud computing. If you're excited to learn more, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for Rodgers Labs. Next up, we'll dive into the types of cloud services like IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. Don't miss it.